Hi, this is Adam with Sakari, and in this video, we're going to walk through how to send bulk text message appointment reminders to your customers. To get started, I need to pull my appointments into the Sakari system. I already have all of the appointments in an Excel file, and let's take a look at that. So I'm in my Excel file, and let's walk through the columns. When sending a text message appointment reminder, the only required fields are the mobile phone number and the country code of your recipient, but I want to be able to personalize it, so I've added some additional information. Walking from left to right, we have our country code, and you'll notice here that we have the ability to support 150 country codes. And in this example, I'm sending text messages to the US, Great Britain, as well as Canada, all with a single file. Now I've also added my business name and my business logo and my primary color, and these will all be used to enhance the text message that we'll take a look at in a moment. And now we have our customers' information with their first and last name, their mobile phone number, their appointment date and appointment time, the address, as well as some notes about their appointment. And this gives me all of the information that I need to be able to create a personalized message for each one of these customers. So I'll save this file as a CSV, and we'll upload it to get started. So I'm back in the Sakari system, and I'm ready to get started. First, we'll go to Campaigns in the left navigation. Campaigns are a great way to be able to save your commonly used parameters and very quickly send your text messages. In this case, I've already created a daily appointment reminder campaign. Let's take a look at that. I'll click the Edit button. I've already mapped my field names from the file that we just looked at into the system. Each time I upload that file, it will automatically recognize all of those column names. I'll click on Design Template, and we can get a sense of the message that's going to be sent. And you'll note that some of the text is green and some of the text is black. Wherever there are green fields, the system will automatically personalize the message to the customer by including their first name, your business name, the appointment date and appointment time that's specific to them, as well as a link to a rich text message page, which we'll take a look at in a moment. So let's send our message. I'll come back into the campaigns, and I'll click the blue execution button and drag my file over. The system will automatically recognize the contacts from the file, and I can click upload, and the messages are being processed. To get a status report, I can expand the campaign, click the show report icon, and I can see exactly what's been processed. To see the outgoing messages, I can click the outgoing tab and see how each message has been personalized to each of your customers with their name, your business name, the date and time of their appointment, as well as a link to a unique rich text message page. You can also see responses by clicking on the Incoming tab and see responses from your messages. Let's move to the Conversations page. When you send your messages in Sakari, we'll automatically create an open conversation, and when you receive a response, you'll be notified. You can give access to unlimited users on your team so anyone can view the responses and respond in real time. Let's look at an example. In this case, we sent a text message to Jane, and she's indicated that she'd like to change or cancel the appointment time. To respond, we can simply click the Send Message button, type our message, and click Send, and in real time create a two-way conversation with our customers. I've sent one of these text messages to myself, so let's take a look at it. I'll open up my text messages, and I can see the personalized text message above where it's automatically inserted my first name, the name of the moving company, the date and time of my appointment, but below that we've also included a link to a rich text message page as well. And this is a personalized page that's unique to that customer or employee. It's completely customizable. You can see that I've included the business logo at the top. It's automatically included all of the appointment information that we saw in the Excel file earlier. We can customize this with maps and images, as well as call to action buttons. By simply clicking the confirm or cancel button, I can automatically send a response back to the system, and that will be recorded as a reply. I'll click confirm. You can see that my response has been submitted. And we'll move back into the Sakari system to take a look at that. So we're back in the Sakari Conversations view. we can see that Adam has responded with a confirmation. If we want to respond on top of that, we can simply click the send message and say, sounds great, see you then, and send our message and create a two-way conversation in real time. Thanks for your time. If you need any help getting started, feel free to reach out to us at help@sakari.io, and I'll include a link in the description below.